Princess and the Bear here. We just got back from
Toy Story 4.
Toy Story 4. So, thoughts?
We went to the fan event.
We did go to the fan event.
They had a cute little intro at the beginning. That was fun.
Yeah.
You got to see all the voice actors and do their own little intro.
It was cute. It was cute. And then we got to see the movie.
The movie was a forequel I didn't need, but it was cute. I mean, it was cute. It was the Woody movie.
It was the Woody and Bo Peep movie.
It was the Woody movie. It was all about Woody.
And Bo Peep.
Mostly Woody. I was surprised because there was so much PR for all these extra characters here, but they really didn't have as much screen time as I felt the advertisement led you to believe. So that was different.
I felt the opposite. I honestly thought this was literally only going to be a Woody and Bo Peep movie. So a lot of these people got a lot more screen time than I was expecting to get to begin with. The only thing that I really noticed was less buzz, but I figured that was going to happen anyway.
It was a lot less buzz. It was kind of funny how superficial Buzz is just throughout the entire Toy Story series, and it definitely rings true in Toy Story 4.
Sidekick status.
Yeah, but it was because he's, not really the sidekick in the whole world of Buzz Lightyear, but in the world of toys, he's
Woody's sidekick.
Yeah.
But the good thing about this is that Pixar works in a nice little recap. If you're like me and you haven't seen Toy Story 3 since a while, I think I've only seen it twice.
I've seen it too many times to count.
Toy Story 2 more than a few, but it's still been a while for that one as well. They give you a little mini recap of the story right before the movie comes in. It's worked in. It's not tacked on. So if you need a little bit refresher, they got you there. The one thing I will say about this movie is Pixar. Wow. It's
oh, the animation was incredible.
Every few years, it's they make this huge jump. There was a scene at the beginning I didn't know it was animated. I was 100%
It was raining.
Yeah.
It's not a spoiler. It was raining, and it really did look like real rain, not CG. They just filmed it outside and added the characters.
It was good.
But Pixar has progressed when it comes to water. Animating water has kind of been in their wheelhouse, especially since they had so much practice with Moana. They know what to do with water.
It's not even just the water. This movie, the finer details as far as world building for a toy, it's all there.
Mm-hmm.
All the little bits of the fluff and tags and stitching and the detail in this movie and the love you can tell they put in this movie definitely does the series justice.
It does.
You can tell hey, this is Toy Story.
Oh,
We're gonna treat Toy Story right. And while not a super necessary story, it was a good story.
It was.
Near the end, I'm not gonna lie, it hit me in the feels, just a little bit, maybe to the left or the right, but somewhere in there, I got a little quiet. It got me.
I don't cry in movies, so
I don't think it was as funny as most of the other Toy Stories. I think I chuckled twice. A deep laugh maybe one time.
I gotta say, Forky is pretty hilarious. I thought he was just gonna be some lame gag, okay, it's a sport, but no, he was actually funny.
He's a nice addition.
He's really great.
Most of the new characters are actually fairly funny.
Yeah.
Duke Kaboom.
Keanu Reeves, in case you didn't know.
Mr. Breathtaking himself.
This
he fits well. He fits well in this movie. He doesn't feel out of place or tacked on at all. So
no, I kind of wish. Even though when I saw all the PR for the movie, watching other interviews on YouTube and stuff, I felt like it was just gonna be a grab.
He's kind of sitting in the background, with all these grizzled Pixar veterans, and there's just Keanu with the hair.
Yeah, Bill and Ted, but in an animated
shirt.
movie. But no, he brought his A game, and he was still the Bill and Ted character because Keanu has been perma that character since those movies. But
he did a good job.
It definitely made me think he was Canadian.
There was a lot of little, there's a ton of Easter eggs.
Oh,
ton
yeah.
of Easter eggs.
There was one Up reference I loved.
There was an Up reference. There was I saw what I think was a Kingdom Hearts reference, but I'm not 100% sure on that one.
Apparently they do have Kingdom Hearts references in the movie. I didn't see any.
And then there was one other one that I can't place right now. I think it was Monsters Inc., but I'll have to go back and watch that part again.
If there was any Easter eggs that you caught in the movie, let us know in the comments below.
We want to hear what you guys
Yeah.
saw. As far as whether or not you should go see this movie,
Go see it.
if you're a Toy Story or a Pixar fan,
Go see it.
I don't even know why you're still watching this video.
Go see it.
Go hit the like button, leave us a comment, and then run and go see it. So I'm going to give this 4 out of 5 claws. Most definitely. It wasn't a necessary story, but I'm glad I got it, and I'm not giving it back.
Yeah, I would agree. I wouldn't go so far as saying 4 out of 5. I'd probably say like 3, 3.5. It was average. It was good. I felt like there was still some elements of the movie that were missing, but overall it was enjoyable, and I mean the kids are gonna love it.
Until next time,
Be sure to subscribe.
we'll see you soon.
To infinity and beyond.
And her mom.